Hello everyone, this is Team G&H. This video is a presentation of our minimal viewable product. Our project is called Marker. The Marker is a data collecting software that aims to collect daily activity data from users, from participants for research use. The current version of Marker could only run on Windows and has served for more than 10 years, which means it's kind of outdated. Therefore, the purpose of our project is to redesign the Marker to Markup 2.0, which is going to be a web-based application with a great compatibility among different platforms and also be easy to update and maintain. So basically, that's the purpose of our project. Let's move on to MVP. So this is the index of our MVP. As you can see, we have a header and two buttons here. So the header is a pretty standardized header. And for two buttons, we have a new diary button and a load diary button. Let's start with the left one, new diary button. If we click on that, we'll go to a page that basically asks participants to enter their personal basic information, like their gender, like their birth date. And they also, the first one asks for the ID for the diary, which is going to be used to identify a specific diary. If you leave this blank, you can't go anywhere because those data are required. And then for the ID, you can't use an ID that already existed in the database. So 3 is already existed in the database. And then you are not allowed to do so. This check ID exists, please enter new one. So it basically tells you this ID has already been occupied. You have to use a new ID for your new diary. So 10 is a new ID, choose a date, a new diary. And then in this page, the participants are going to be asked, have they had their breakfast or lunch or dinner? Because some people would have 3 meals a day, some people would not. So you could toggle if you have your breakfast or not. And if you have your breakfast, you can choose time. Use this slider to choose time for your breakfast. And in this page, you can't have your lunch before your breakfast time. See that time is 5:35. And also works the same for dinner. You can't have dinner before your lunch as well. Okay, so after that, we will go to the page that basically allows participants to record their daily activities. So this selector contains all the types of activities. You could choose a type. And then on the right is all the activities that in this specific type. And after you choose a specific activity, you could choose the time range. And after that, you click on add activity. Your activity would be shown in a text area down below. And this one is supposed to work as a timeline, but it's currently not working. But this is not a core functionality for the MVP, so yeah, it really doesn't matter. So you could add as many activities as you want. And after you have added all your activities, you could submit your diary. And then you submit it, and you'll be directed back to the index page. And if you want to have a look at your diary, you could use this load diary button on the right. And you enter the ID for your diary, which is 10 that we got just entered. And then you'll be shown all the activities, all the information about the diary that you have just of this ID. And down below, you have the ability to download this diary into a text file. Basically, that's all about our MVP and our project. Thanks for watching and have a good day.